evening everyone and thank you so much sir. आपने इतना सब कुछ कह दिया, कोई मतलब I don't know if I deserve so much, but thank you all so much for so much love. All you children and all you children out there and the families, you'll have come here, you'll are here together to celebrate Rose Day. So that's just symbolic of your spirit, of your incredible strength, of such faith, such belief. I know this strength, I know this faith, I know this love and this confidence that we as people, as family members, hold so preciously. It keeps us together, it keeps the belief strong, and keeps the fight going, which we conquer with our spirit. So I must tell you that being here, coming here, spending time with you all, albeit briefly, our schedules come in the way, I can't do it often enough. But whenever I am here with you all, in person, please know I'm in spirit with every one of you on a daily basis for my lifetime, honestly. इसमें कोई बड़प्पन नहीं, इसमें कोई there's no greatness in this. There is no need to thank for this. It's very, very humbling, but I just think it's the most natural thing for us to do as a people, to be there as much as we can for each other, with each other. And thank you so much, CPA, for giving me the opportunity so many times to be able to come, participate in your unconditional work, in all the good that you do. I think as often as we say this personally or publicly, it isn't enough, because it's important. It's important for us to make time, to be able to give to each other and ourselves, actually, in being there for so many of you, so many of us who need that strength and that support. So thank you for giving me the opportunity, and I'd like to today state openly, not because I need to make a public announcement, but because I hope in doing so I'm able to encourage many more people out there in doing what I'm about to do, and that is, I would like to sponsor the treatment of a couple of your children, and I would like you to let me know how I can do this. And once I take this course, I will do this through my foundation, the Aishwarya Rai Foundation, and I'm announcing this, again I repeat, not to make a public show of it, but in the hope that a lot of people out there realize that it is possible for us to do so. I have found out from the association, just to know the detail, I'd like to announce to all of you that they did tell me that you can sponsor a patient's treatment for a year at 50,000, and that's for 1 year's treatment, and up ahead, if the treatment continues, if that's the will of God, you can continue doing so. And that really isn't much in this day and age. Treatment, and up ahead, if the treatment continues, if that's the will of God, you can continue doing so. And that really isn't much in this day and age, where youngsters, earning members, families, you spend so easily on so many other things. It's so important to be able to support life-giving, life-strengthening opportunities and possibilities to families in need. So thank you for allowing me to do so through my foundation, and I hope many more people come forward and do the needful. Thank you.
Even as a model, when I was a student, and you know, it's strange to talk about this association because you just do it straight from your heart. And through my foundation, I'm here to. I've worked with the CPA with help, and I think everybody should come forth, contribute in whichever way and whatever manner you can to help fund the treatment of people, be it children or whoever the people be in need, because cancer is a big fight, and I think that's something that's an ongoing fight with a large part of the human community. So do whatever